going to do a review today of the Facelake, I believe it's called, Facelake Fetal Doppler that I ordered. I ordered it because my midwife said, just for my peace of mind with my situation and everything, they're pretty cheap on Amazon, and just so I can check in on baby and make sure everything is going well. So I'll just show you how this works and give you my review of it. Alright, so first you just need a small little towel just to tuck into your pants to protect it. And then you just need a gel. You can order like a special ultrasound gel on Amazon that's really cheap, but I just had aloe vera gel. That works as well. So you just put a tiny little amount on your belly. I'm 14 weeks, so baby's torso is still pretty low on me. So and then you just turn the button on and the little light comes on, and take the little receiver or whatever they call this thing. Oh, I found it right away. And there it is. So that's baby's heartbeat, and you can tell if you've gotten baby's heartbeat versus yours, because it's a lot faster. Sometimes you'll get your heartbeat, but it's more like a whoop, whoop, whoop. But the baby's heartbeat is more like a whoop, 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 whoop. So anyway, one last thing I wanted to say is, and I think this is true of all of the, at least the inexpensive fetal Dopplers, is the number that reads on there for the fetal heart rate is not necessarily accurate. Like, you don't want to freak out by the number that it gives you, because normally a fetal heart rate is like 150, 160, 170, 180 like that, and sometimes it'll show like 120 or something. But I've read that you just have to ignore that number and just listen for the sound, because that's more accurate than the number. If you want a more accurate number, you can just like get that fetal heart rate so you can hear it really well, and then just look at a clock and count the beats for like 15 seconds and then quadruple that number, or 30 seconds and double the number, or for the full minute, and that's your actual fetal heart rate. So if you want to be scientific about it and actually want to know the actual heart rate, then you can do that. But most of the time when you're doing this, it's just for your peace of mind, and when you hear it, then that's usually affirming enough. So I've been pretty happy with this thing. It was on sale on Amazon for like 48 bucks or something like that. I'll put a link down below. Anyway, for me, I thought it was worth the money for the peace of mind that it gives me. So I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye.